Asan si Charlene?
Well, I invited her, but she declined.
Well, alam ko maraming pinagdadaanan ng asawa mo, Iho. Pero sana nandito rin siya. After all, she's been part of the company. So, why don't you call her? Go ahead.
Are you sure, Ma?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, excuse me.
Oh, kayo, get some food. Come on, eat.
Raymond,
Hon? Pinatawagan ka sa akin ni Mama. She wants you here in her retirement party.
really? Gusto niya ako makita?
Sige na, pagbigyan mo na. Saglit lang naman to eh.
Gusto din kitang makausap. May mga bagay akong gustong itanong sa'yo.
Sige. Just come over. I'll wait for you. Alright? Ingat ka.
Well,
Okay naman. She's coming.
oh, good.
Where's your food, Ma?
Somebody's getting. Thank you.
You want anything?
Fine.
Food?